when the universe or the creator, God, wants to give us a message, it's not what you expect. It's not a letter in the mail. It's not an email. It's not a text. It's something called a download. And you'll receive this directly into your brain at a time that you don't necessarily even expect. Often it's during meditation because you're receptive and open and ready and you've got your third eye all primed. The truth is, all of that is kind of extra because if you're going to receive a download, it's going to come. It's going to come. If you're the one chosen to receive it and it's that time, there it is. And it's not the kind of thing where, you know, when you're doing an upgrade on your iPad and it's like, oh, you have to do iOS 14.1 and, you know, it's, you know, let's wait for space and let's download. No, it's instantaneous. It's like in the Matrix, Neo, you know, they plug him in and he learns, he's like, I know jujitsu. I can fly a helicopter. You know, it's kind of these immediate, all of a sudden things. And I'm sorry about all the noise around here. Honestly, guys, I teach this thing, this go with the flow and don't resist and that kind of thing. And I go around, oh, everybody be quiet, I'm filming a video. You know what? They're boys, they've been at school being quiet all week. They need to play, okay? Anyways, try to be like me and just ignore it. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so this download that I received that I want to tell you guys about is that, and I'm putting it in my own words because this is how it came to me, is that up until now, the divine male energy has ruled the earth, okay, the earth. And as much as the divine male energy has a lot of leadership in it, it has a lot of strength, power, it has a lot of, it can have a lot of love, it doesn't have nurturing, it doesn't have compassion. It can, at times, but the divine feminine is where that compassion, love, and intensity of, the feminine energy is the maternal energy, right? Everybody has both masculine and feminine divine energy in them. It's all a balance, like yin yang, okay? It's all part of that law of gender, okay? It's one of the laws of universe. We don't talk about it that much. I don't know why, because it's very important. There's a positive and negative, there's a female and male aspect to everything. And it doesn't mean boy, girl, it doesn't mean, you know, that whole like physical side of it, the biological, you know, body parts. Don't worry about all that. We're talking about energy here. So it's time for the feminine divine energy to not take over. I mean, I'm not like Skeletor, you know, looking to like take over the kingdom. I'm talking about the women, females. It's time to kind of start making more decisions and standing up and making solutions, coming together and making solutions together. So the feminine energy, the divine feminine, comes together as a giant mastermind group, and we can literally mold the collective consciousness in a way that's more gentle, kind, caring, and inclusive. And I believe we can do this. So more of my videos are going to be towards this idea of this new earth. The new world order will be more feminine energy. Watch. This is my prediction in the coming months, is that you'll see more strong females, any race, you know, there's only one race, human race, but of any color, of any creed. Watch out, Bella. There's going to be more strong female energy and power. And the men will say, we should do it this way. And then, you know, it might take, you know, one man saying, let's do it this way, and then 3 women saying, no, let's do it that way. But we're going to do it. We're going to be strong, and we're not going to do it with force, and we're not going to do it with war, and we're not going to do it with violence. We're not going to be angry. We're done being angry. We're done being suppressed or repressed or made to feel that we are the inferior gender, because we're not. We're all the same. We're all the same. Okay? So that was my download. please comment. Let me know if you received a download. Let me know if you know what the heck I'm talking about at all. A lot of my stuff, a lot of my information that I learn is, I've been learning from Delarge Cannon. I've been reading about energy and the 3 waves of volunteers. I love it. I can't believe how much I resonate with that after reading so many, like, I've read so many psychology textbooks. I have a degree in psychology and an honors degree. I'm a teacher. I have a master's in education. And I've always felt like a complete outsider. I'm a Jill of all trades, or Jack of all trades, whatever you want to call me. Never really fit in. Never been amazing at anything. Well, maybe that's just what I tell myself. But after reading about that, read her book, even watch videos, just watch a couple of videos. The 3 volunteers, 3 waves of volunteers. She talks a lot about UFOs, a lot about ET, and she talks a lot about how Earth got to the way it is and the male energy that makes it that way. I really want you to check it out. Make yourself as aware as possible. Until you have your download, you read. That's it. That's another way to download. It's slower. That's it. It's the same thing. I love you guys. Okay? Mwah. If you have any questions, comments, anything, even if you think I'm crazy, comment, say it. Every comment helps me. Help my channel grow, guys. Come on. Click a like button. You know that little one right there? That makes a big difference. Do me a favor. Click it. And then let me know. Comment. Say, I clicked it. And then make another comment that said, hey, can you comment that you saw that I clicked it? Okay, now I'm getting silly. I love you guys. Your positivity princess signing off.